Okay, this is my project. It's a old wood dresser drawer. There goes the mirror, and I have to do the wood side. Maybe I'll remove the mirror out the way, see how everything looks. This thing, the drawers go all the way in. I gotta find out, and I gotta fix that. Why does it go all the way in? Something's not stopping it. It's supposed to be here. Oh God. Remove the handles, all the crying marks. And that's gonna be a project for the week, maybe for the next 2 weekends. See how the finish is. I don't know how far down I could go with this. I'm trying to take it to a bare wood, missing, and it fell off, and somebody's holding it with tape. I guess, or maybe polyurethane. So maybe I could just glue that on sand, and then it will look brand new. Handles is one handle per drawer, so put it in a safe place. I'll put it in one of the drawers and put the drawer right back on it. Keep it there for a safe distance. So I'm getting ready to go to Home Depot and get some sandpaper. Get the little machine ready. I'm gonna have this to give me a hand. It's an old sander from Sears Craftsman. Had it for many years when I was doing body work. So I'm going to use the sander. And actually smooth that out as much as I can. So when I put the polyurethane, it'll be nice and smooth, and it will, it will take up the shine, and it will look a lot better when it's nice and smooth. Right now it's smooth, it feels very smooth, but with the 180 grit paper, it will really make it nice and smooth, and it will look really nice once I apply the polyurethane. Well, I'm gonna do all of them just the same way, so I'll be back. And now we're gonna do this surface over here. Hi. And you're gonna make sure it's nice and smooth. If you see a nail sticking up a little bit, it'd be better off to remove it. This one's sticking all the way out, so I'll remove it. Even if you feel it and you feel the nail, it's good idea just to remove the nail, and then when you finish everything, just put the nail back or put another new nail. So that's smooth right there. There's another nail right here. Just remove that nail. Everything else looks smooth except for the little nail right here. Remove that, just like I did to this one, and you're all set to sand this part down. Okay, so far I'm getting this far. I got this. From below you can see it better. That's 180 grit paper. It feels smooth, but so it will look a lot better. I'm gonna come back with the 180 grit and finish it off. This over here I have to do by hand. This maybe by hand. I'm not too sure. I got a small machine downstairs that could do the job. The lines, you gotta be careful when you put any type of machine here. If you are gonna use a machine, sometimes I get lazy. I feel like doing it myself, but the edges are here, so You don't want to eat those out. You want them off. But there you go. Alright, let me keep going. Okay, now here's almost a finished top. The details I still gotta get the details. So you're gonna see all this still gotta be done, but at least the flat surfaces, the big stuff is already done. And over here coming to a problem. And everything will be intact. I'm lazy for the corners. For these corners here, I got this little baby here. I'll try and get as much as I can because it will take me a long time to do by hand.
That'll probably cool off for a while.
I could do something with a little piece. Okay, this is the part that I repair. This corner right here didn't come out that bad. So I got glue and just see a crack over here. So let me see what I could do if I could sand it down. If it doesn't fall apart. Not bad. That's a little. Didn't be done quite well. Better than nothing. You can still see the crack there. Hopefully, when I varnish it, well, that will disappear. But it's smooth. Smooth to the touch at least. So not bad. Look like it's solid. Alright, I guess once you varnish it, you won't even tell. It's done. Got a little bit of work left. Got the top. Got the side. Still gotta put everything together. What the sides look. And I'm almost there. Putting it together shouldn't be that tough. I still gotta get all the drawers, and that should be finished. Break time. Oh, there it goes. I did the drawers, did the large things. I still need details of gotta get the edges really good. I'm not finished yet. Most of it is done already. Not bad for 2 days work. My camera doesn't have a light, but gives an idea of the top, how it looks. I gotta dust it up, still got a lot of dust. And that's the way it looks. Next is the mirror. And that's about it. But that more or less, it should be another day or so before it's get ready for polyurethane. And put it all back together. Fix out whatever needs to be fixed, so the drawers don't go all the way in. But that's it. This is the mirror. Of course, I removed the mirror. Nice. Okay. This is more or less the way it should look without the mirror bracket and the mirror base is on it. I'm gonna leave it like that. Think a lot of the stuff that I should have done is done. The major stuff is done. Got a lot of details I gotta do, but I'll leave it like that. Shellac it. It looks 100% better than it did before. Look like a new piece of furniture. And the mirror goes there. And it's gonna look beautiful. It's gonna be a beautiful piece of furniture. And there you go. Gotta get a whole shot of it. Okay. Well, I went to Home Depot, got myself some polyurethane, the clear one, clear gloss. I'm gonna leave it like a natural wood color. I bought some sandpaper for my tool. This is 80. This is very expensive, $11 a pack. These are different grits. This is a 80 grit. 2 brushes. I got the cheapest brushes man could buy. This is about $1, little over $1 each. So this is like throwaway brushes. And I'm gonna start shellacking, or actually polyurethaning maybe the top. I'm gonna I'm gonna sand it with 100 grit paper, make it nice and smooth. Then the polyurethane. Probably gonna do the tops first. There's 2 countertops, and then I see how it looks. Bye. Well.
Don't do that.
Okay, here got the finished product, and it's ready to be placed and moved out there with the mirror. And it's not perfect because I see imperfections. I see a lot of paint drippings. I see a lot of, But again, like I said, it's for me, so I don't really care too much about that. There got the mirror, nice. Everything came out pretty good, better than before. I wish it could be smoother. How could I make it smoother? When I touch it, it feels like glass, but you will still feel the grits and everything else on it. I want it to feel smooth as glass, but it's not happening right now. Alright.